Hello, everyone. Before we present our proposal, let me introduce my teams first. My name is Tiara.
My name is Laura.
And my name is Lucinda.
Now let's begin. For the introduction section, there are three main problems, which are lack of knowledge, inadequate risk management, and trust building for digital investment platform. The solutions for each of the problems are also listed here. Next, here are our lo-fi prototypes and explanations. As you can see, we added the investment menu on the footer. Next is the registration page, in which the customer needs to log in or register their customer fund account before they start investing. Next is the main page for the investment feature. There are 8 features in total, which are knowledge, products comparison, and etc. After that, we have the knowledge feature page, which consists of basic knowledge, article, and video for the users to learn.
I'll continue with the next part. As we can see, the product comparison feature has 2 pages, which are the comparison page where the user can compare both products and the add product page for the user to search for the product. Next is the trend analysis feature that has 2 parts that are the analysis page, where in the start analysis menu, user can fill in their analysis and see the risk profile result page. While on the history analysis page, users can see the history of their analysis result. Next is the customer service page that shows users about the company location, contacts, and etc. with a button that can direct the user to the company contact. Next is the risk profile that has 3 pages, which are the explanation of the risk profile feature, then the risk profile form page where the user can fill in the questionnaire form, and the risk profile analysis result page. Next is the portfolio page where user can see the investment product that they've bought. Next is the sell and buy page, which is an essential element in an investment app. The buy page also has a search bar that helps the user to find the products.
Okay, next will be continued by me. And as we can see in the dashboard page, user can search for a product they want and related data will be shown. In addition, the user can buy or sell product by clicking the buttons. Next, in the bonus page, the user can search for the product and the apps will show it in the form of a card. Next, in the mutual fund page, we can search for the product we want and the information related will be shown. There's also the buy button on the bottom of each card. Next, this is the gold bar page. We can buy the gold in the terms of price or weight. Users can also choose the payment method they want to use. Next, in the savings page, the user are reminded to allocate their money regularly in the investment product they want. Next, in the wish list page, the users can see the investment product they have achieved previously. So that is all from us. Thank you.